Hello friends and welcome back to the Recognition channel. So friends, today I will talk about Dangbei DBOX02 Pro 4K laser projector. So friend, this projector is a cutting-edge 4K laser projector that blend cinematic performance with intelligent ability and combine laser wave technology and built-in stand and instant pro AI image setup. So friend, the projector comes with 2000 ISO lumens brightness, watch vivid 4K content every in daylight and eliminating the need for darkness. Seen so friend, the 4K laser precision enjoy sharper details, richer colors, and deeper contrast for true to life visual, and the projector comes with built-in stand and instant pro AI image setup. The built-in stand offers 360-degree horizontal rotation and 120-degree vertical tilt and allowing effortless adjustment for the perfect projection angle every time. Meanwhile, the instant pro AI image setup technology automated image optimization with autofocus, auto keystone correction, screen feed and obstruction avoidance and eye protection जैसे फीचर्स भी जो है हमें देखने को मिलेंगे. तो फ्रेंड इसके अंदर हमें रियल टाइम की स्टोन करेक्शन इन एआई ब्राइटनेस एंड और भी हमें काफ़ी सारे फीचर्स जो है देखने को मिलने वाले हैं. हालांकि फ्रेंड इसके अंदर हमें 40 इंच से लेकर 300 इंचेस तक की हमें स्क्रीन फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी देखने को मिलेगी. एंड फ्रेंड इसके अंदर हमें 10,000 प्लस एप्स का हमें एक्सेस, जिसके अंदर हमें नेटफ्लिक्स, यूट्यूब, प्राइम वीडियो, डिज्नी प्लस, HBO. So friend, the projector screen flexibility 40 inch to 300 inches form factor indoor setup to large outdoor movie night and adapt to the any environment, and Google TV operating system to access 10,000 plus application including Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Disney Plus, HBO and etc and 7 lakh plus movies and TV shows. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.